Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Crypto Evolution. I come at you not like an atomic clock like some people, but I come at you when I can. Schiller's gonna shill. Got me new swag there from Crypto Fats, me man. Good stuff, buddy. So look, Schiller's gonna shill essentially these some of these big YouTubers too. They're gonna show you their Bybit referral codes and all this leverage trading bullshit, but in the same sentence, warn you how dangerous leverage is. They're making money off it either way. So honestly, that shit stopped. It's ridiculous. You're going to get wrecked doing leverage trading, and people with big subscribers, you know who you are, need to sit down and take a look at yourselves and do something for your listeners rather than just making money off them all the time. It's absolutely pathetic. So today I've got a few news articles for you. I love all your support there. Keep some comments coming into me, guys. But look, I'll see you on the next video anyways. Hit the like and subscribe button. Tick that bell. Okay, so first articles from CoinDesk. So Uphold teams up with TaxBit to more accurately report users' crypto trades. So let's have a go through this. So Uphold is hoping to prevent its customers from being audited by reporting their crypto trades as property trades, not income, as many exchanges have done in the past. Now, the platform, which provides trading in crypto, fiat currencies, and assets like metals, is partnering with TaxBit to provide customers with a tax liability dashboard on its user portal, and intends to help customers file more accurate tax returns, streamlining which has to date been an opaque process for crypto traders, which, look, I couldn't agree more. It's, different countries treat the asset as a different, is it income, is it capital gains and so forth. So, look, anything to help, I guess, the tax people, because you got to think about these accountants and so forth. They're a lot of these guys are old school and what's crypto and things like that. And it's great if there's something there that can help all these accountants actually classify and make things a bit easier for reporting. So well done, guys. It's great to see that. So look, moving on to the next article. Okay, from Cointelegraph. This is actually a really good article I saw. So there are now over 7,000 cryptocurrency ATMs worldwide. Okay, let's go through it here. So the number of crypto ATMs across the globe has grown to over 7,000 with machines in 75 countries. Pretty global. At press time, Coin ATM Radar listed 7,014 crypto ATMs in existence. This number also includes machines hosting digital currencies other than Bitcoin, including assets such as Bitcoin Cash. It's funny the way they split them apart, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, and they obviously, one's a fork or the other, but Ethereum, Dash, and Litecoin. So all the cryptos. So crypto ATMs have come a long way. The world saw its first Bitcoin ATM in 2013 when a company called RoboCoin placed a machine in a Vancouver coffee shop, allowing customers to trade Bitcoin for cash and vice versa. The machine saw $10,000 in Bitcoin transacted on its launch day. Wow. That would have been a lot of Bitcoins back then too. Gosh. Now at present, 42 different manufacturers are responsible for the 7,000 global crypto ATMs. Only 2 locations host RoboCoin ATMs. Coin ATM Radar data showed. Genesis Coin sits in the lead with machines in 2,500 locations. So moving on, digital asset ATMs keep coming. The world now sees 11.7 new crypto ATMs installed per day, according to the same place. Last fall, Bitcoin ATM company Bitstop teamed up with a massive United States-based mall operator, Simon Malls, spurring the installation of 5 machines in 5 separate malls run by the operator. Florida's Miami International Airport also received a Bitcoin ATM from Bitstop in the latter half of 2019. So crypto ATMs only recently surpassed the 6,000 mark, or landmark I should say, in November last year, showing a growing public demand for cryptocurrency availability. Now, I only know of a few crypto ATMs or Bitcoin ATMs in Sydney, where I live. What about you guys? Do you have a Bitcoin ATM nearby? And if so, what's it like? Like, I hear that they got quite high fees, some up to 10%. Don't quote me on that. What's your experience using a Bitcoin ATM? Would you use one? Comment down below, guys. I'd really love to see what you think about that. And yeah, do you have one nearby? All right, so an article from Crypto Potato, and just on Crypto Potato, look, I'm actually enjoying their news. It's easy to read, and it's a good go-to for my news. So this one is a Bitcoin hash rate hits new all-time high as miners remain bullish. So I'll get rid of my noggin. It's a bit better on your eyes too. So Bitcoin's hash rate just hit another new all-time high of 136 EHS. EHS just stands for a shitload of hashing power. It's something like 1 EHS stroke S is like 1 quintillion hashes or something per second. So there's just a shit tin. All right, that's all you've got to know about it. All right, so they just hit a new all-time high, an indication that miners are not backing out despite the recent selling pressure, which led to a slump in the price of Bitcoin last week. So miners are bullish on Bitcoin. Data on blockchain.com suggests that Bitcoin's hash rate has been increasing steadily since the start of 2019, and now the network is processing as much as 136 quintillion, told you it was quintillion, hashes per second, which is about 25 quintillion increases since the last all-time high in December last year. So as you can see from that graph, it's just been going up and up. So that's really good to see. It's going to be interesting to see what happens after the halving or the halving. It's does that spur on competition with the miners? Do you just get a heap of miners dropping out or turning off, switching off because of profitability? It's going to be very interesting to see. And then do the big miners then double up and get new mining pool hardware and increase the hash rate again? It's going to be interesting to see what happens there. So the continuous increase in the hash rate shows that miners are not very much bothered about the current price of Bitcoin. Neither am I. Perhaps because they are very confident about the potentials of the cryptocurrency. Me too. Although the 2018 bear market forced some companies out of the mining industry, the latest data suggests that new miners are joining the game and they could be investing in improved rigs and equipment. Now, this comes just about 70 estimated days before Bitcoin's halving, which is arguably one of the most important events of the year. What about Pizza Day? What about Bitcoin Pizza Day? I reckon that's pretty important too. Just quietly, sorry. Now, it will reduce the block rewards from 12.5 to 6.25 BTC per block. That would lead to fiercer competition among miners. I swear, I didn't read this before. I was just suggesting the same thing earlier. So, which could push the hash rate to newer all-time highs over the coming months. So, look, time will tell, guys. It's an interesting time ahead. I'm not too worried about the price right now. And like I've said in previous videos, if you ask me, let the bear market continue. I'm not finished accumulating. Okay, it can take as long as it wants. I'm not going anywhere. So let me know what you think there, guys, about what do you think the hash rate's going to do after the halving or halving. Do you think it's going to go down? Do you think there's going to be more competition? Do you think it's going to be miners dropping out? I'd love to see what you have to say about that. So interesting article anyways from Crypto Potato. That's it, folks. Thank you very much once again for spending your time watching this video. I hope a little bit of news helped you out to see what's going on in the market. Look, the price is doing what it's going to do. My view, I want it to be a bear market for the next couple of years. Price is doing what it's doing. Now, I just thought I'd share this with you. There's a lot of seed recovery devices out in the market. This is not a paid thing. This is really cheap, to be honest, guys. That's why I want to show you. I did a video link up above, about seed recovery, okay, and keeping your seed phrase safe. And there's a guy that actually did stress tests on all these seed devices or recovery devices. Some of them are really fancy and they really don't hold up well, too many moving parts. And this guy put them through acid, through water, through fire. Didn't come up well at all. This is a very, very simple one, all right, and it's super cheap. I think I got it on Amazon. It's been a while. If I did, I think the link's in the description. Haven't really checked out. Don't really care if you don't click on it. But I just wanted to show you. Okay, it's very simple. What's it called? Cold TI. Where are we? Cold TI titanium. Okay. It's as simple as that. Have a look. There you go. Now I've actually got a Dremel device, okay, like an engraver, and all you do is engrave your seed phrases on there, or your seed words on there, and that's it. Lock it up, okay, and you've got the tamper-proof stickers, like it matters, but anyway, they're there. All right, so I just wanted to share that with you. Cold TI titanium. All right, and yeah, you can get that if you like, but there's different types, but like I've mentioned before, it's good to have 2 or 3 backups, especially if you're holding a bit of crypto. All right, so look, once again, thank you very much, and also I have hit 100 subscribers. I have done a video since then, but I didn't get to mention. Thank you, each and every one of you, for getting me to that 100 subscriber milestone. Now, I know there's about 40% of people that don't subscribe but actually watch. Can you just click the subscribe button? It really helps the channel. But anyway, people who have subscribed, thank you very much. Love you, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.